to make you feel good! Yes! Kung alam niyo po yung song or kung may mga nakakaalam po, pwede po kayong sumubay. Thank you po!
Let's go! Palayo sa'yo. Oh baby, baby, baby. Sa mga gusto ko na, sa mga kontrata ba, sa mga umakiya. Walang problema, iisipin ba, hindi ko naman laging makakasama. Let's go! Lagi na umaawit, maawit ko lang kusina. Hanggang sa sala, lagi na napapasabi.
lagi. I feel good and na. The whole infinity has begun. Yes po. Well, thank you so much, guys. First, I would like to say and mention our blooms. Our blooms who have been continuously going to our events, especially yesterday. Beanie Fest po, nangyari lang kahapon. And we want to spread our thanks to our blooms na patuloy-tuloy lang po sila mag-show ng suporta. And yung energy nyo guys, grabe. So thank you so much po.
Yes, and I hope nag-enjoy po ang lahat tonight. Here's sa People from Manila 2023 dahil alam ko po na lahat ng production na napanood nyo at mapapanood nyo pa lang ay talagang pinaghandaan ng lahat.
Yeah.
Yes, and dahil Spotify po ang partner ng T-Pop Call Manila ngayon. Ha? Yes, Spotify po ang partner. Meron po kaming ipo-vlog na podcast naming Bini entitled Podcast ng Mga Walang Jowa!
Uy! Feeling ko naman makaka-relate. Makaka-relate naman kayo doon kahit meron kayong loved one. Yeah. And ito na nga. Kahit gusto pa namin mag-perform ng maraming song, papunta na po kami sa aming last song.
Yes, pero gusto ko lang din i-vlog, sabi nga ni Stacy. Kung gusto niyo pong matawa, maaliw, makikchika po sa amin, panoorin niyo po ang aming podcast. Every Thursday po yan at 10 a.m. Only on Spotify.
Just, you know pala, Thursday!
Yeah.
10 p.m. 10 a.m. O, ginawa pang gabi. Nakakalawa ka naman. Pero ayun na nga, guys. We are down to our last song. And sana tong song na to, pwede po kayo maki-party, no? Malapit na mag-end yung event na to. Siyempre, hindi naman natin hahayaang hindi tayo mag-enjoy. Tama ba? Woo! So, tandaan niyo po na palagi lang kayong kumapit lang with our last song, No Fear!
Let's go! Let's go!
We're just here to have a good time. We're just here to have a good time.
I'm feeling like I can't lose. I won't let you get in my way. Over and over, I'll prove I'm showing no fear. I'm showing no fear. We're just here to have a good time. Let's go. I'm high in the clouds. That's a new level of good vibe. No trouble around. We don't stress on just a good time.
And I won't let you take me down or change my mind.
I'm looking at better days. I will always hold my ground and stand up proud. I'm putting on my game face. I'm feeling like I can lose. I won't let you get in my way. Over and over, I'll prove I'm showing no fear. I'm showing no fear to have a good time. I'm showing no fear. I'm showing no fear. Whoa, no fear. I'm showing no fear.
So don't mind the doubt. You can do whatever long as you try.
No matter if you're down, get up, 'cause it's alright. And I won't let you take me down or change my mind. I'm looking to better days. I will always hold my ground and stand up proud. I'm putting on my good face. I'm feeling like I 100%. Kayo